we have cracked Rihanna's curly hair routine, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now, right here. Look at these results. Let's get into it. Fenty Hair, $175. I think this is the most amount I've ever spent on curly hair product. Rihanna made it, so I need to try it. And here we go. The shampoo. This is made out of metal, which is super cool. I don't see instructions other than the pictures. My first impression is I'm very underwhelmed with the size. I expected them to be bigger. Us curly girls have a lot of hair and we need a lot of products. Deep conditioner. They are very aesthetically pleasing. Ooh. The comeback kit for instant damage repair. Heat protectant. And then for styling, Homecurl Curl Defining Cream. I believe this was $28. The size is kind of small. This better work like magic. I have such high expectations just because the price point is not very affordable. The gel. Now let's hop in the shower, see how it all works. After wetting my hair, I started with the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. I only needed a couple pumps. It's very rich and creamy. It smells very jasmine-y. It created a lot of bubbles, but it didn't feel like it was stripping my hair or making it so dry. It was actually very moisturizing. Is this what Rihanna smells like? Focused on my scalp as usual, and then I just let it run through the rest of my hair. My hair feels moisturized and very squeaky clean. I got the deep conditioner bundle. This is what I'm going to be using to detangle my curls, give my hair a little extra hydration. Smells has like a luxury perfume smell to it. Hints of jasmine, hints of coconut. Not wasting an ounce of this. Texture, oh, it's super thick. I'm gonna apply it to my ends first. The smell is super romantic. It's not overwhelming, overpowering. And if you love the smell of jasmine, this is for you. Go ahead and detangle with my detangling brush. Giving it a good slip for detangling. With a little bit more water, the slip is so much better. My hair detangled so easily. My hair is feeling super moisturized, super soft. Detangling was very easy. I rinsed it with cool water to kind of seal everything in. The wash was definitely an experience because of the smell. Every product was very rich and hydrating, and I didn't have to use much. So now the size of the bottle is not as disappointing as it was when I first opened it up. Straight into styling my curls. See you there. I feel like I smell so divine. It's time to style. Usually I'll style my hair straight at the shower before it starts drying up like this. I have my water bottle handy. I got the Fenty Hair Homecurl Curl Defining Cream. I'm also going to be trying the jelly type Stronghold Gel. I'm going to split my hair in half. One half I'm only going to use the cream, and the other half I'm going to do what I usually do. Style my hair with a cream and a gel together. I'm going to do this half with the gel and the cream, and this half just the cream, and compare the results to see, do we really need to buy both, or would one be sufficient enough? Do they smell as good as the freaking shampoo? Yes, they do. All the smells complement each other, so they're not gonna clash. Here is the cream. You can tell it's very rich, very thick. I like that. That tells me I might not need a gel for it. The gel has a little bit of a stronger smell to it. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells like a very expensive perfume and you're putting it all on your hair. Here's the consistency. It's very jelly, very thick. Not too sticky. So I think this will be great for slick backs, things that need a really strong hold, but I'm going to try it today to style my curls with it and see if that works. I'm gonna go ahead and do my usually what I'm gonna call curly panda curly hair technique. If you want the full technique and details, I'm going to link a video for you right here where you can watch every single step at a time. Split my hair into 2-inch sections. I'm starting with the side that what I typically use, which is the cream and the gel together. Hair is already starting to dry. Always style your hair while it's soaking wet. Frizz is just a curl waiting to happen, and then the product is what holds it in place. Hey Homecurl, I love the bottle. We're gonna take, is this my hair or Rihanna's hair? I'm gonna take a good chunk. It's very thick, you can see. At the bottom, my way up. Ooh, the slip feels really good. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my ends because I have thicker hair. I love the slip, so I'm going to take a good chunk of the gel. The gel is not as sticky. I'm gonna apply it on top, move it all in. Okay, Riri, definitely a little bit goes a long way. So now the size of the product doesn't look as small to me initially thought because I don't need to use that much. The products are so rich. I'm just gonna repeat this on every section of this side. My curls are loving it. Side one is done. My hair looks so moisturized, so defined, no frizz whatsoever. This side we did the cream and the gel. Now we're only going to do the cream on this side. Same everything minus the gel. I feel with just the cream, it has much better slip with my brush. By the way, always remember to change the water in your water bottle every single time you use it because water goes nasty and it's gonna smell bad. Make sure to spray out the excess water that's in the nozzle. You don't want that on your hair. Top part of my hair is always the most kinkiest part of my hair because it's the most exposed to damaging elements like sun, sleeping on it, standing under hot water. Finger coils. The front. Let's do the squish test. I'm gonna do the one with the gel and the cream. Feels very squishy. And then one with just the cream. It's a bit less squishy. Now both sides are done. I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry as usual. Come back to see the results. I'm predicting the one with the gel probably gonna have a little bit of a cast. And with the cream, maybe not. Who knows? Definitely, if the results are good, I'm going to be using these on special occasions because I want to smell like $1,000,000. If Rihanna smells like this every day, now I know why everybody's saying, oh my God, she smells so good. See you in a little bit. My hair is completely dry. Look at this definition. So this side is cream alone, this side is cream and gel. They both dried with a cast. It almost feels like identical cast. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the cast on each. I think we might not need the gel. To break the cast, you just have to scratch out the crunch. You can use the clapping method. Fluff the roots, separate the curls, but make sure your hair is completely dry before you do that because you don't want to create frizz. Riri, baby, what have you done? Look at the shine. So soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and it's so fluffy and it's so defined. How? Don't make me talk about the smell again because I will talk about that all day. Okay, the gel, now that I went through here, it does feel like it's a stronger cast. It's a little bit tougher. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. This side also feels very shiny, a little bit rougher to the touch. The gel just gives it a stronger hold. Fluff. Riri, baby girl. Oh, honey, listen. I really think I like the side with just the cream better than the side with the gel. I feel like it held its shape better and it feels so soft. I wish you can feel it, but it feels so soft to the touch, so pillowy, but also so shiny and defined. This side still feels good, but it feels like it's a little bit more frizzy. How weird. I would expect the opposite because it's the gel. It looks like we don't have to buy both because each one of these is $28. You can just get the curl cream and you'll have results like these. Rihanna, I love you. You did it again. Every single product you put out there have not disappointed. Thank you. Riri, invite me to your next event, girl. Because look, okay, look. Right? Am I right?
Tag Rihanna in the comments so she can see.